Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a cooling summer drink called iced coffee. This is a copycat of the Starbucks Frappuccino. It's very simple and it only takes just a couple of minutes to make. Let's get started. In your blender, start out by adding 2 cups of ice, 1/4 of a cup of Nescafe instant coffee, and 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Then add 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Turn your blender on for about 30 seconds, then add 3 cups of low-fat milk. Close the lid and turn it back on. Don't blend it for more than 1 to 2 minutes unless you like your milk frothy. Pour it into your favorite cups and enjoy. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.